Good morning, everybody, and welcome to space. We are traveling through the universe, and we're going to travel through space today and look at all of our planets. How exciting is that? Hello, David. Good morning. Good morning, Riley. Good morning, JD. Lovely to have you join us today. Thank you for joining us. Okay, we're going to stand up and we're going to do our dance with our planets. We're going to learn about the planets while we exercise. Are you ready? Let's get moving.
We go up to the sky. Let's see our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big.
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. Go, 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 go.
Come on.
8 planets. Small, small, so small. Mercury. So small. Brightest of all, Venus. Shiny. I'm your planet, blue, greener.
I love you.
Red and dry, marvelous Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big.
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. Go, 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 go. 8 planets. Super, super duper Jupiter.
I'm big.
Hula, hula, pretty Saturn. Hula, hula. Full, full of gas, Uranus. Far from the sun, Neptune.
So far.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Wow, they're big.
Uranus, Neptune, round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets.
Lovely. Did you enjoy that warm-up? Okay, so we're going to practice what we did now. We clap, we tap, we hit our legs and clap. Hit your legs, clap. And then we roll to the side, roll the other side. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Roll and roll. Okay, now we're going to roll up and wait. Come on, I want to see you rolling. Roll your arms like this. Roll, 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 roll. Good. Nice rolling. Okay, and clap on your legs and clap your hands. And roll, roll, roll. Can you turn around and roll? Roll, 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 roll. Turn around. Roll up and roll down. Roll up, roll down. There we go. Give it a good shake. Give your hands a shake. Give your legs a shake. Shake your arms. Shake your head. Everything. We are nice and warm now, aren't we? Come, let's sit down. Good morning, everybody. Are you excited to learn about space today? I'm very excited. Today is the 7th of May. Okay, let's count to 7. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And today is Thursday, the 7th of May, Thursday, and it's 2020. Thursday, good. In Afrikaans it's donderdag, nee, donderdag. Can you say that? Donderdag. Good, lovely. Okay, come and have a look at my pictures on my desk here. I just want to show you a few space pictures. Can you see them? Okay, what planet is this with the rings? Do you know what planet that is? That's got the rings around it. Saturn! I know you love the space, David. Okay, there is Saturn. Can you see its rings? Wow! Beautiful, and there you can see all the stars and the space. And then I want to show you here, it's a nice satellite. Can you see the satellite? Okay, and look at the space, look at the stars and all the... What is this man called? What's this man called? That goes to the moon. What is he called? He's called an An astronaut. Isn't he an astronaut? Yes. Look, he's got to wear special clothing and he can go to the moon. He's called an astronaut. Wow, look at that. Okay, and then I want to show you another picture here. Look at that. Wow, there are the astronauts. Okay. Isn't that cool? And that looks like Earth, isn't it? Okay, and then I want to show you the planets on my small picture, and I've got a big one, so don't worry. Okay, here they are. How many planets are there? Did you listen on the song? How many planets were there? Shall we count them? Can you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's one hiding there. 8. There are 8 planets. Okay, let's have a look at our solar system. Look at this. Wow. Okay, what can you see? This is called our solar system. Okay, we're going to make the solar system with our Play-Doh now. How exciting is that? What is this in the middle here? Do you know what this is called? It's called the sun. Can you see the sun? And there we are, Earth. Okay? And we all go around the sun. We revolve around the sun, or the planets. Okay? We are going to get out our Play-Doh now, and we are going to make the solar system. Have you got your Play-Doh ready? This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to put it here so you can see it. Okay, have you got your Play-Doh? Oh, good morning, Nathan. Hello, lovely for you to join us. We're busy learning about the solar system and space, all the planets. Okay, there's the sun. There we go. Okay, so we're going to make the sun in the middle. The sun is quite big. Can you see them? It's quite a big one. So let's make sure we take a big piece of our Play-Doh. Can you roll your Play-Doh like this? Okay, this is going to be our sun. I've got quite a big piece here. Roll it, good. This is going to be your sun and it's going to be in the middle. Okay, lovely. Rolling. I want you to roll it between your hands to get a nice even ball. Because it's like a ball, right? The sun is a ball of gas, isn't it? Yes. Okay, there is my sun. Put your sun in the middle. Can you see it? Okay, now we're going to do the other planets, and they're not as big as the sun, okay? We're going to do Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, let's do our planets. And remember, which planet is the biggest planet? Do you know which one the biggest planet is called? It's called Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay, let's make our other planets. I'm going to make Mercury now, which is going to be just next to my sun. So just take a smaller piece. It must be smaller than your sun. Okay, there we go. And roll it between your hands. We're going to make Mercury. Okay, there's my Mercury. Can you see my Mercury? And there's the sun. Now we're going to do Venus. Venus, let's take some more Play-Doh. Okay, and we're going to, let's see, I want to make them more or less the same. Okay, can you roll it between your hands? I want to see you rolling. Lovely, nice rolling. Okay, I never put any color in my Play-Doh because the planets are all different colors. You must go and learn about all the different colors of the planets. We know that Mars is red. It's known as the red planet. Okay, and Earth, it is blue and green. I'm going to send you a nice picture of the Earth for you to color in. Okay, I've got Venus. Now we're going to do Earth, okay? Do we live on planet Earth? Yes, that's our planet. Okay, roll your ball for Earth. Okay, there's our ball. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put Earth there. Looks a little bit big. Okay, we got Earth. Lovely. Okay, do you have your sun? Do you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars? We're going to do Mars now. Remember, Mars is the red planet. Okay, so we've done 4. And what these planets do is they go around the sun like this. They go around. The sun stays in the middle and the planets go around like this. Okay, that's how we get the day and the night and different seasons. Okay, there is Mars. Okay, do you have your 4 planets on this side? I think we should make our sun a little bit bigger. What do you think? I think that's a good idea. I'm going to make my sun a little bit bigger. Okay, and if you want to, you can roll it on the table as well. Roll it on the table, or you can roll it between your hands. Okay, I'm going to make the sun a little bit bigger because we have lots of Play-Doh here. There's my sun. Okay, not that round, eh? You make it round between your fingers like that, between the palms of your hands, and you use your fingers. Okay, good. We've got Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. There's the sun. Now we're going to do Jupiter. Now remember, Jupiter is known as the biggest planet. So we're going to make this one a big one. Okay, make a big one for me. There we go. We're going to make it much bigger than the other one so we can remember that it is a big planet. Okay, are you rolling your Play-Doh? Roll, 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 roll. There's my Jupiter. Can you see how big it is? So we remember that Jupiter is big. And Saturn, what's special about Saturn? What has it got around it? Do you remember? It's got rings around it, doesn't it? Yes. Okay, we're doing Saturn now. Are you rolling your Saturn planet? Are you rolling? Okay, there's my Saturn. Okay, and now we're going to do Uranus and then Neptune. Okay, 2 more. Good, nice rolling. Good job. Okay, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Lovely. What does the Play-Doh feel like? Does it feel squishy? Squishy and soft? Okay, there we go. I've got Uranus. And now I'm going to do Neptune. Okay. And Uranus and Neptune are known as blue planets. They are blue. But sometimes they reflect different lights and then they change color. But they mostly are blue. Okay, we're doing Neptune now. Neptune. Let's roll our Neptune together. Into a little ball. Lovely. Good rolling. There we go. Okay. Hello, girls. Welcome back. Okay, we're learning about the solar system and all the planets. We have our sun in the middle here. And then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. And what these planets do, they go around the sun like this, okay? And which planet is our planet? Can you remember? What is our planet called? It's called Earth. We live on planet Earth. Okay. Here we go. And which one is the biggest planet? Can you remember? Which one is the biggest one? Starts with a J. Jupiter. And which planet has the rings? Saturn. Okay, lovely. I see you making your Play-Doh. Oh, yes, they're going around. Brilliant. Okay, so they go around and around. Can you make them go around? Around your sun? The planets go around the sun. You say they revolve around the sun. Can you see them going around? Lovely. Okay, let's do the other planets. The big one is Jupiter. It's going around the sun. But they do it all together, okay? They all go around like this. Okay, are you ready to go around? Use your hands. Go around. We're going to pretend we're the planets. Go round and round. Good. Lovely. Okay, that's the solar system. Isn't it exciting? Okay, we're going to go to our video now about our planet so we can learn a little bit more. And you can play with your Play-Doh and you can finish your solar system and planets. Okay, let's go for it. Listen carefully.
We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. I'm closest to the sun. I'm Mercury, Mercury. I'm the brightest in the sky. I'm Venus, Venus. And I'm your planet. I'm Earth, Earth. I'm the red planet. I'm Mars, Mars. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. I'm the largest planet. I'm Jupiter. Jupiter.
Good.
I'm the planet with the rings.
What's that called?
I'm Saturn. Saturn. I have 27 moons. I'm Uranus. Uranus. I am made of gas. I'm Neptune. Neptune. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. We are the planets big and round. Watch us happily fly around. These are the...
Okay, lovely. Did you learn something new about the planets? Okay, remember we are on planet Earth. The biggest planet is called Jupiter. The red planet is called Mars, okay? And the one with the rings around it is called Saturn. Okay, I want to see you playing with your Play-Doh. We're going to play with our Play-Doh now. I'm sure you have some leftover Play-Doh. We're going to pull it and stretch it. Pull and stretch it. Okay. I want you to try and break it. That's it. Lovely. Can you feel how squish it is? Squish your hands in. Squeeze them. Squeeze the Play-Doh between your hands. Squeeze. Squeeze. Lovely. Good. Okay. Try and make one big ball. How do we make a big ball? We roll them between our two palms. There we go. Roll them. Roll, roll. There we go. Roll, roll, roll. I want to see you rolling. We're going to make a little ball as well. Okay, let's see the big one. I want to see a big, big, big one. There we go. Okay, we're rolling it between our hands and our fingers. Okay, there we go. You can roll all the way around. Can you roll up and down? Up and down like this. From the bottom to the top. I want you to try that. Good. Good job. Okay, go faster. Go faster. See what happens. What's happening? What's the Play-Doh doing? Is it going long? Roll, roll, roll. I want you to make it long now. Long, long, long. What are we going to make? A worm, a snake. Look. Look at the Play-Doh. When you do this, it rolls longer and longer. Wow, look at that. Good. Okay. Now I want you to take a very, very small piece. A very small piece, okay? Look at my rest of my Play-Doh. Small piece. We're going to make a very small ball, okay? Can you roll it? Small piece, very small piece. You can even roll it like this between your hands. Okay, that's how we get our circle. I'm using the palm of my hand, okay? Can you see there? this palm of my hand, I'm rolling it between there, between my two hands. Okay, roll it, roll it. Lovely. Good job. Okay, there's Saturn. Can you see Saturn behind us? There are the rings. Wow, look at that. We are traveling through space. Wouldn't it be fun to go and visit space? Okay, lovely. Do you have a little ball? Do you? Okay. I want to do even a smaller ball, even smaller. Okay, even smaller than that. Take even a little bit more, a little bit less of your Play-Doh. So I want a small, small, small ball. There, you made it nice and long. Good job. Now I'm doing a small one. Can you see? Lovely. A small, 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 small ball. I think we should go to our desk and then you can see better what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, now you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Look at that. I want a small, small, small ball. Can you roll it between your fingers? Roll it just between your fingers like this. Good job. Lovely. Okay. There we go. So you can make lots of fun things with your Play-Doh later. Squish it, lots squishing, squishing, squish, squish. Okay, so we have learned about the solar system. Okay, there's the sun and there are all the planets. Can you remember how many planets there are all together? How many planets? 8 planets. 8, okay? 8 planets. Okay, are you rolling? Lovely. So much fun to play with Play-Doh. You can make so many fun things. So many things. What can you make? You can make something long, something big. You can even make a face. You can make all sorts of fun things. Isn't it exciting? Okay, have you got your toilet roll for me? We're not going to start our craft just yet. I want you to put the toilet roll on the floor where you're going to stand. We're going to jump over it, okay? Jump over it. Over, over. We're going to jump. Come, let's get up. And we're going to jump over our toilet roll. Put it on the ground. See, I'm putting mine on the ground. And I'm going to jump over it, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, jump. Over it. Did you jump? And again, let's jump over it. Now I want you to try jumping backwards. Good. Jump backwards now. Backwards, lovely. Okay, can you walk around your toilet roll? Walk around it. We're going to pretend we are the planets and the toilet roll is the sun. Come, planets. Let's go around the sun. Lovely. Okay, let's go slowly now because the planets go. Go slowly for me. Walk slowly. Lovely. Okay, let's go fast. Fast around the planets. The planets around the sun. Come, let's go. Good. Very nice. Good job. Okay, one more jump. One big jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Lovely. That was some good jumping. It was nice to pretend we are the planets revolving around the sun. Wasn't that fun? Okay, we are going to get out our toilet rolls. Would you like to make a rocket ship? Would you? I would love to make one. Okay, here is my toilet roll. Have you got your toilet roll? We're going to first quickly roll our toilet roll down, okay? Get a piece of paper. And I want you to take the toilet roll and I want you to roll it with your fingers down to the bottom. Let's go. Down. Okay, good. And then I want you to roll it up again. Use your fingers. Okay, we're using our fingers to roll it up. And down. That's it. Okay, let's go to the left. Oops. Left. Now we're going to go to the right. Excellent. And the left. See how your toilet, you can just roll it like that. Left. And right. Good job. Okay, what shape is the toilet roll? What shape is it? Yes, it's a circle. Well done. Okay, would you like to decorate your toilet roll a little bit? Let's draw on our toilet roll. We can make some lines. You can make anything you want. If you want to have a red one, you can have a red one. If you want to have lines on or circles or shapes, you can make your rocket ship however you want to because it's yours. Okay, I'm going to put some circles on mine. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm drawing some circles on my rocket ship. I'm making 3 red circles. I'm going to show you how to make a cone now if you're still struggling with that. So don't worry about that. Okay. Then we're going to put maybe some lines on our toilet roll. It almost looks like the robot we did the other day. Hey, the traffic light. I'm going to put some circles, not circles, a circle line going around my toilet roll. Okay. There we go. You can really just do whatever you want to. It's your special rocket ship, isn't it? There we go. I'm going to show you how to make a cone in a minute. Okay. So what you need is, you need a piece, a circle, a piece of cardboard if you have. Otherwise you can also use paper, it's fine. Okay, and you need a circle shape. Okay, something much bigger than your toilet roll. Okay, I'll show you why. Because we're going to roll it into a cone and it goes right up. Okay, so let's do our circle shape. Okay, put your fingers in the middle and then you draw your shape around. Okay, so you need quite a big one. See? Do you think that's really going to fit on here? You'll see it's going to. Okay, and then you can get your scissors and cut it out. Okay, can you cut your shape out, your circle, that we're going to use for our cone? Because on top of the rocket ship, there is a cone shape. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, then you fold it in half because we want to find out where the half is. Okay, and again, other way. Okay, see, I'm just using a box of cereal, just the back of the box. Okay, so can you see my lines here? Now we're going to cut to the halfway line, just like that. So we stop where we can see the line where we folded, okay? And then you turn it into a cone. Okay, look here. And you roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it until it becomes a cone. There's my cone. And you're going to need something to fasten it, like a stapler or glue or something like that. Okay, otherwise it's just going to come out again. Okay, so there's your cone shape. You can make it as pointy as you want, and then you'll see it'll fit on top of our toilet roll perfectly. See? I'm going to put some tin foil on here. Do you have tin foil? Okay, have you got the cone shape? Do you understand what to do? You want me to show you one more time? Okay, there's my circle. Okay, we folded it in half. Okay, and then we folded it the other way so we could make sure we know where the middle is. Can you see my lines? Okay, then you cut it halfway there. Can you see? In the middle, halfway from the circle. And then all you do is you just pull it under and you roll it and you roll it until it becomes a cone. Look at that. And you keep rolling it under until it becomes a pointy cone. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, we're going to get our tin foil out now. Did you bring some tin foil? Listen to how noisy this is. Oh, and it's very bright. Okay, we want to use the shiny side. Can you see the tin foil has two different sides? This is not as shiny as this side. We want to use the shiny bit. So let's tear it. Tear a piece of tin foil. And you tear it for me. Tear it. And we're going to start making our cone with tin foil. So keep tearing, and then we're going to start slowly building up our cone. We're going to put it in there like that. Can you see? We're going to make our cone like a space color. And tin foil. And we want the shiny side up, okay? So look now. That side's not the shiny side. We want the shiny side. We're going to build the cone like this with our tin foil. Okay, so you have to really push it in place. Can you see there? Okay, let's build. Does it make a noise? Yes. Okay, I want you to tear. Okay, you can glue it, or you don't have to glue it. Mine's staying without the glue. There we go. Okay, we're slowly building it up. And we're making our point for our rocket ship. Okay, just push it. Okay. And keep tearing. You to tear. We're making a very cool rocket ship. Don't you think? I think it's going to be very nice. And then you can play with it. Okay, make sure we have the shiny side. See, I'm getting the point on there. Pushing it under. That's how it's staying. I'm pushing it under. Okay. Lovely. Keep tearing. Okay. How's it coming? Is it looking good? There we go. I've got my point of my rocket all covered. Oh wait, there's a piece not covered there. Okay, and see if it fits onto your toilet roll now. It should fit on like that. Is it fitting on? Yes? Does it fit on? Okay, keep going. You can finish it. We're also going to cut some strips for the bottom here, so it'll look really nice. Okay, there, I'm going to build this up really nicely so it's nice and strong. So keep on putting some layers on. You don't want any pieces coming off, and you've got to push it down, squash it down with your fingers so that it doesn't come off. Eh? There, I'm happy with mine. Okay, there's my pointy piece at the top. Good job. There we go. And I'm going to get my scissors now and cut a few strips for the bottom here. For the rocket ship, so you can have some shiny pieces on as well. But you can do what you want to. If you don't want to have shiny pieces at the bottom, you don't have to have it. Okay. So remember, we hold our scissors like this. Open, close, open, close. Okay, there's one strip. And then we hold it with our finger here. Can you see? I'm holding it. Okay. They can be different lengths as well if you want. Just so we can have some shine on our rocket ship. Lovely. Can you hear this noise? Sounds like rain, doesn't it? Listen. Wow, it sounds like rain to me. Okay, do you have your glue as well? We're going to stick our strips on. If you want to put strips on, let's get our glue out and stick it on. Remember the shiny side? Up. I think I stuck it on the wrong side. Doesn't matter. Okay, look. I'm decorating it at the bottom, okay? There we go. Let's stick some strips on. Decorate. Lovely. I can see you all working so hard. Super. I can't wait to see what your rocket ships look like. Okay, I've got a strip at the bottom there. I'm trying to think if I want anything else. Okay, I think I'm going to draw a little bit more on it. See, I've got a silver strip at the bottom for my rocket ship. Okay, and I've got some lines. And even if you want to cover your whole rocket ship as well, in turn 4 you can do that as well. Whatever you want to do. Okay, your special rocket ship. I'm going to put some more lines on mine. Okay. Look at you working so hard. Wow. Okay. And then you put it on top. You can actually just push it down. It should stay on, but you might need to glue it. Okay. There's my rocket ship. It's got a nice point. And you see, it's all shiny. Got some lines on it, and I can decorate it a lot more. Do you like my rocket ship, David? Is it nice? I like yours. Very nice. There we go. That's my rocket ship. Okay, you're going to carry on with your rocket ship. Well, I'm going to read you a story. So let's tidy up. I'm going to tidy up mine over here. You can carry on with yours. Carry on working on yours while you listen to my story, okay? Are we ready for our story today? What are we going to read about? I've got a very nice story about Freddie and the fairy. Have you heard that story before? Have you? Well, now you can listen. Freddie and the fairy. So while you're carrying on with your rocket ship, then you can listen to the story. Okay, here's my rocket ship. Freddie and the fairy. Freddie found a fairy tangled in a tree. Help, I'm stuck, the fairy cried. So Freddie set her free. Look, there's a fairy in the tree. Thank you, said the fairy. My name is Bessie Bell. I'll grant you all your wishes, though I can't hear very well. Freddie thought, then mumbled, I wish I had a pet. Why, so you shall, said Bessie Bell, and conjured up. What did she conjure up? A net? I don't want fish, said Freddie. I'd rather have a dog. Hey presto, said the fairy, and conjured up. Let's see. There he is with his fish and his net. And he doesn't want a fish. A frog? Do you want a frog as a pet? Let's try again, said Freddie. I wish I had a cat. That's easy, said the fairy, and conjured up a bat. Oh dear, I don't think she can hear very well. I don't like bats, said Freddie. But what about a mouse? Lift up that stone, the fairy said, and Freddie found a louse. Oh no, You don't want to have a louse as a pet. No. I don't think she can hear. Because, what did he say? A mouse? And she said, and she made a louse, didn't she? That isn't right, said Freddie. Let's think. Perhaps a parrot. I'll do my best, said Bessie Bell, and conjured up a carrot. Oh, goodness me. Freddie stamped his foot and said, this carrot has no beak. Forgive me, said the fairy, and a tear rolled down her cheek. Oh, shame. She's very sad. Just then, from out of nowhere appeared the fairy queen. She dried the fairy's eyes and asked, whatever does this mean? Can you see the fairy queen? It's Bessie Bell, said Freddie. She gets things wrong, he grumbled. I'm sorry, said the fairy, but that's because you mumbled. What does it mean when you mumble? Can you hear me when I'm talking like this? Can you hear me? I'm not saying the words correctly, okay? Mumbling is when you're not speaking correctly and loudly and clearly enough. Now, Freddie, said the fairy queen. She sounded kind, but stern. Before you wish again, there are 3 rules you need to learn. Okay, let's see. What are the rules? Number 1, you mustn't mumble. Rule number 2, don't turn away. So when we're speaking, can you hear me when I'm over here? Can you hear me when I'm speaking over there? No, you must speak here. Don't turn away when you speak. The fairy needs to see your lips to read the words you say, okay? And number 3, don't cover up your mouth. Can you hear me when I'm talking like this? Can you? Not really. She can't see through your hand. Obey these 3 golden rules, and then I'm sure she'll understand. Okay, so what are the 3 rules? Can you remember? 1, we mustn't mumble. Okay, we talk clearly. Number 2, don't turn away. Don't turn away. And number 3, don't cover up your mouth. Okay. So Freddie learned the 3 golden rules, and now he speaks quite clearly. And everything he wishes for comes true. Wow, isn't that a lovely story? It teaches us how to talk properly and clearly so everybody can hear us. Oh, look at this gorilla. Or very nearly. The end. What a lovely story about Freddie and the fairy. Did you enjoy that story? Yes? I loved this story. Okay, so today we learned about all the planets. There are how many planets? 8 planets in the solar system. And the sun is in the middle, and the planets revolve around the sun. They go around the sun. Okay, we learned that today. The biggest planet, can you remember? Jupiter. What's the biggest planet? Jupiter. The red planet is Mars, and we live on Earth. Okay, that's our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the space, all the space behind me here, and traveling through the universe. It was so exciting. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. You need your cardboard box or something. We're going to cut a frame out of it. Don't forget, you got to go look for your flowers, your leaves. We're going to decorate the box, and we're going to decorate a tree, okay? And remember, Mommy's Day is coming on Sunday. Okay, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. Lovely to see you. Bye. Bye.